This hush puppy recipe is an old classic with a little bit of a hot spicy twist. So let's get started. You'll need milk, egg, sugar, self-rising cornmeal mix, self-rising flour, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, onion, and cooking oil. And I'll leave all the ingredients and the amounts in the show more description below. Start with mixing the egg and the milk together. And when that's combined, add in all of the dry ingredients. Mix that well. And then add in the onion. After it's all well combined, you're going to want to set that aside for 15 to 30 minutes. And that just allows the cornmeal mixture to soak up all of the liquid. Now go ahead and preheat your oil, and ideally you'll want it to be about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you don't have a thermometer, just drop a few sprinkles of the mixture into the oil. If it sizzles immediately, then you know it is ready. Then you can go ahead and start dropping the hush puppy mixture in by the spoonful. As you cook more and more of these, you may need to reduce your heat a little bit so the oil doesn't get too hot. When these are done, use a slotted spoon to take them out of the hot oil and place on paper towels to cool a little bit. I'd like to tell you how many hush puppies this recipe made, but they seem to have disappeared as fast as I could make them. But I'm guessing 18 to 20. Depends on what size you do. So give this recipe a try and enjoy.